Hello troops, quick little tutorial today. I'm going to show you how to use cookie cutters that have two or more separate parts to them. What do I mean they've got two or more separate parts? I'm going to throw loads on the screen now. Loads of my cookie cutters come like this, and I do them in two separate parts instead of just one big bit because it gives you the choice between making an impression on your cookie or cutting a hole all the way through, which is my favorite way of doing it. And I'm going to show you using the letter A because that is the best letter, isn't it? And if you're looking for the recipe for the best cookie dough that isn't going to spread when you put it in the oven, I've already made mine, but you can find the recipe here, I think. Maybe here. Okay, I'm going to cut out my two A shapes here, and then we're going to get into the whole point of the video. We're going to take a little middle bit of the A here, and in this first one we're going to go down halfway. That might have been a little high up, but that's a me problem. I'll go a bit lower on this one. And on the second one, what we're going to do is we're going to take it all the way out. So push it down, give it a little wiggle, and the hole should come out. Now I'm going to get these baked, and I will show you the results. All right, so I've got those baking away. In full disclosure here, I'm cooking them in an air fryer, which, if you can hear some sort of background noise, is probably that. I made a video a while ago about making these in the air fryer instead of just in an oven, and the results were astounding, essentially. If you want to watch that video, it is also here or here. I'll figure out where to put them one day. Also, do you like my mug? Okay, right, so I've moved them to a cooling rack to cool down, and it's probably at this point I should tell you that all the cookie cutters you see in this video and in all of my videos, and the best cookie cutters in the world, are all from cuttingabout.com. We've got over 1,000 different shapes on there. I reckon if you can think of a shape of cookie cutter, it's on there. So go, have a look, check it out. If you find a shape that I don't have, I'll be very surprised. And there we have it, troops. Two letter A's, one with the imprint made and one with the hole cut out all the way through, which is my favourite way to do it, but this is really up to you. Which one do you prefer? Please let me know in the comments. I'm going to give this an A.